Hey guys. So we've been on an intro trip, as we call it, where we went to Singapore, and I'm not going to get too many details of the trip because it was drama, fun, drama, fun, drama, 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 fun, drama, drama, fun. Pretty not cool. Anyways, we've got a bird in our house. My little sister found it this morning. It's been attacked by a cat or something and misses some of its feathers um, on the one wing. It's like black. I don't want to take it out of its cage because it just got used to it, like before it was like hiding. Do you see that white thing over there, that thing that moves in the background? That's the bird sitting on the kind of made like a home for it. So it was hiding on the inside of its home, and I hope you hear it in the background. If you're like a total bird expert and can hear what kind of bird it is, then tell me what it is. I think it's like a black mice. Do you know what a mice is? It's a tiny little bird that lives in the cities. It's like it came to Denmark in like 1860 or something like that. I'm not sure. My mom just read it on the internet. So, but anyways, it just got out, and up there it enjoys the sun we gave it. So I don't know. What are we supposed to do with it? Oh, did you see that? He just spread his wings. Spread your wings and fly, buddy. We call him Pip. P-I-P. Um, yeah, in English it's like tweet, 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 tweet. But in English we say peep, 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 peep. So that's its name because we don't know if it's a him or her. But so far I'm a little bit like we just call it a him. I don't know why. It's like, hey, is he okay? I think he is. Blah blah blah. So yeah, my little sister is obsessed with them. So she can't leave him alone. But anyways, if you can see what kind of bird it is from here, because I can't take the wire that far. So sorry, but if you're such a birdie expert who can hear that, what kind of bird it is, then please tell me. Because I need to know. Because we only think it's a black mice thing. So, yeah. Sorry, I had to.